Hi beautiful, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. I'm Cassidy. I've been teaching Pilates for over 20 years and I'm happy to guide you through this workout today. Today we'll be doing the tabletop curl-ups. This exercise is designed to build the endurance of your core muscles. You have your stabilizing muscles, the pelvic floor, the transverse abs, the internal obliques, the multifidus, and the diaphragm. And then you have your movers, the rectus abs, the external obliques, and your hip muscles. Strengthening these muscles is great for back support, core stability, preventing injuries, and allowing you to perform at your best. Even if you're familiar with this exercise, I encourage you to follow along with me because you may learn some new tips and tricks that will help you to master the movement, which will lead to smarter and more efficient movement, giving you the best results. This workout is perfect for beginners, so there's no need for you to worry if you're new to Pilates. Let's work together to help you feel better in your body. You're gonna start in a tabletop position. You wanna be squeezing your legs together so you feel your inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on, even though you're not moving. You wanna feel your lower back imprinted on the mat. You're gonna place your fingertips behind your ears. You're gonna inhale to prepare. You're gonna exhale into your upper ab curl. Just getting the shoulders off the mat, gazing down toward your pubic bone. You want to instantly feel the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your obliques, your deep abs on. Holding for a count or two and then inhaling back down and repeating that. Holding for a count or two, squeezing your legs together. Inhaling back down and repeat that. Exhale, upper ab curl. Just getting the shoulders off the mat, focusing down at your pubic bone. Inhaling back down. Going again. If you notice the back of your neck or your lower back straining, you want to stop and rest. It's absolutely fine. It's important to honor where your body is at. You're building your endurance right now, so wherever you are today is absolutely fine. If you start to notice that your thighs are working too much, you want to stop and rest. This is not a thigh exercise. You really want to be feeling the front of the neck, the rectus abs, obliques, deep abs, inner thighs, booty. Whew, that's a lot of stuff, right? If you feel the back of your neck, your lower back, or your thighs working too much, you want to stop and rest. Let's do a couple more. Hopefully you're feeling the deep abs working. You're feeling that ache. One more. Hopefully you're feeling the burn of the rectus and the heat, right? And then coming back down, resting the legs, bringing your knees into your chest. Nicely done. All right, setting yourself back up for success, right? Into that tabletop position, feeling the inner thigh, booty, deep abs on, lower back imprinted on the mat. Fingertips behind the ears. You're gonna exhale, you're gonna rotate to your left a little bit. So as you go into the curl up, you're gonna rotate toward the left. You wanna feel your right oblique really fire up. Hold that for a count or two, come back down, and then you're gonna go back up into the curl up on the same side. Holding, coming back down, and repeating. Feeling the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your obliques. Feeling your inner thighs, your booty. Feeling the burn, feeling the deep ache. Holy smokes, I am feeling it. If you notice any strain in the back of your neck or your lower back, you want to stop and rest. If you're noticing your thighs taking over, you want to stop and rest. It is not a thigh exercise. Oh my goodness, are you feeling it? I am feeling it. Woo! Let's do it one more time. You got this. Holding, and then resting back down, bringing your knees into your chest. Wow, nicely done. Okay, we're gonna do that for the other side. Getting yourself into an excellent tabletop position. Inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on. Lower back imprinted on the mat. Fingertips behind the ears. Curling up, going to the right. Exhale. Just the shoulders coming off the mat. Holding for a count or two. Coming back down and repeating. Really feeling the movement of your ribs on that exhale. Really tapping into your rectus abs and obliques. Squeezing your legs together, feeling that inner thigh booty deep ab connection. Resting if you feel any strain in the back of your neck or your lower back. Resting if you feel like your thighs are taking over. It is not a thigh exercise. Oh my goodness, hopefully you're feeling that deep ache of the low abs. Hopefully you're feeling the burn of the rectus abs. Maybe you're even feeling the heat. I know I am. Wow. One more time. Holding. Go ahead and rest. Bring your knees into your chest and rock your lower back. Wow, nicely done. All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. You're helping yourself to get stronger and prevent injuries. I love it. I want you to get the most out of this exercise, so leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications. I'm happy to help. When doing the curl-ups with the rotation, if you notice that one side feels weaker than the other, do more reps for your weaker side so that you can create better balance in your body. You want to try to build up so that you can do 15 in each direction. So FYI, this is just one piece of the bigger picture. You can access this whole Pilates series in the description below. It may feel very satisfying to do the whole routine, or you can benefit from doing the exercises you haven't done yet. They'll be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.